Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Hacoo app. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you're scrolling down until you find Hacoo app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo. Here. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.